There's nothing out of the ordinary about a dead humpback whale except when it's mysteriously found in the Amazon jungle.
Deep within the heart of the Amazon rainforest lies a realm of unparalleled mystery and intrigue. For centuries, tales of strange beings lurking in the depths of the Amazon have echoed through the annals of history. But now, a recent expedition by a team of researchers into the Amazon's depths have yielded new discoveries, unearthing some of the most remarkable findings that simply defy all explanation. What strange creatures did they stumble upon? And just how much of this dense forest do we actually know? Join us as we explore 20 of the strangest creatures found in the Amazon jungle. Number 1. Dead whale in Amazon. In an amazing twist of fate, marine biologists in Brazil stumbled upon a breathtaking display. A young humpback whale, far from its usual habitat, stranded on an island in the Great Amazon River. The news spread through the scientific community, particularly given that this time of year typically witnesses these great creatures embarking on epic journeys to the icy expanse of Antarctica. The implications of this puzzling occurrence are profound, leaving scientists wandering for answers. How did this giant navigate its way into the heart of the Amazon, so distant from its feeding grounds? With each revelation, the mystery increases, raising a sense of interest and curiosity that shakes throughout the rainforest. Yet, amidst the uncertainty, one cannot help but wonder, is there more to this tale than meets the eye? Number 2. The dangerous Anaconda. In the large expanse of the Amazon rainforest, where big snakes need ample water to thrive, lies the enigmatic Anaconda. This massive serpent, possibly the largest in the world, continues to amaze researchers with its presence. Recently, a group of intrepid divers made a remarkable discovery when they run into a huge anaconda in a Brazilian river. Despite the inherent dangers, these brave souls approached the 20-foot monster without fear. While most people wouldn't dare to get close to an anaconda, especially one of such immense size, the divers remained undeterred. Fortunately, the encounter ended without incident, leaving scientists to ponder the anaconda's behavior. Was it simply uninterested in a meal, or perhaps just curious about its unexpected visitors? Whatever the reason, the divers emerged unscathed from their encounter with this formidable predator, grateful for the opportunity to witness one of nature's most awe-inspiring creatures up close. Number 3. The Potu ghost of Amazon. Within the thick Amazon rainforest, amidst the scary life of the jungle, resides an interesting creature known as the Potu. With its surprising features, the Potu stands out in the jungle. Its wide-eyed gaze, looks of curiosity and mystery, adds to its attraction, almost as if it stepped out of the pages of ancient legends. Despite its unsettling face, the Potu fulfills a vital role in its ecosystem as a nighttime feeding. As night falls and darkness covers the forest, the Potu comes out from its daytime hiding to begin its vigilant patrol of the night, seeking out its prey. Equipped with its large eyes adapted for navigating the dimly illuminated eyes, the Potu scans the surroundings with great vision, effortlessly capturing insects mid-flight with accurate precision. Yet, despite its skills as a hunter, the Potu is not one to seek conflict. Instead, it opts for a peaceful relationship with larger animals, utilizing the art of camouflage to escape detection and potential attacks. Its physical attributes are as interesting as its behavior. The Potu's oversized eyes and unique structure, resembling a tooth-like look, are marvels of evolutionary adaptation finely tuned for the task of insect capture. During daylight hours, the Potu employs a disguised nature, blending into the forest like a master of disguise, despite its resemblance to owls. It's important to note Potus belongs to a separate evolutionary lineage known as the order Capromulgiformes. Number 4. Pecker fish of Amazon.
The Korean seafood delicacy kabul, also known as the innkeeper worm or the penis fish. I think I'll call it the penis fish.
Let's delve deeper into the interesting world of the candiru fish, also known as the penis fish or vampire fish. which has long sparked fear and curiosity among those who venture into the waters of the Amazon. These tiny creatures, measuring only about an inch in length, possess a unique adaptation that sets them apart in the realm of aquatic life.
They are possibly the most grotesque, most frightening fish I think I've ever seen.
Candiris have specialized teeth that they use to latch onto other fish and drink their blood. This adaptation allows them to survive in the competitive environment of the Amazon River, where resources can be unavailable. Despite their small size, Candiris have earned a fearsome reputation due to their unsettling habit of swimming into the body of larger animals, including humans. Historical accounts dating back to the 1800s tell tales of unfortunate individuals who allegedly fell victim to these creatures.
And, the first thing he knew was that the fish was already, inside. Only, just the end of its tail was out.
These narratives, while sensational, have contributed to the lore surrounding the kangaroo and its perceived danger to humans. However, kangaroos do pose a potential threat to humans in certain situations, such as accidentally swimming into bodily openings. They do not intentionally target humans or seek out urine, as some myths suggest. Despite this clarification, encounters with Candiris in sensitive areas can still result in significant discomfort and even injury due to their ability to cause bleeding and inflammation. In essence, while the kangaroo fish may not be as bad as the legends would have us believe, they serve as a reminder of the complexity of the natural world. Their existence allows us to approach the environment with caution and respect, taking note that even the smallest of creatures can wield significant influence and inspire awe and trepidation in equal measure. Number 5. The High Voltage Killer. In the depths of the Amazon rainforest, a previously unknown species of electric eel capable of producing electricity more than 3 times stronger than a standard household plug socket. This is an enormous creature stretching 2.5 meters in length. Belonging to the family of knifefish, this amazing animal possesses the ability to produce an electric shock with an astonishing voltage of up to 860 volts, surpassing all other known creatures in the animal kingdom in terms of electrical power. This comes from research conducted by a collaborative team scientist. Moreover, this study has uncovered yet another distinct species of electric eel, elevating the number of recognized electric eel species from 1 to 3, expanding our understanding of the diversity and capabilities of these electrifying creatures in the Amazon's intricate ecosystem. Number 6. Terrifying Amazonian spider. Imagine stumbling upon an amazing structure in the wild and not having a clue what kind of creature crafted it. That's exactly what happened when a strange formation appeared. But instead of massive stones, it was made of delicate spider silk. This curious creation, dubbed a silkhenge, was first spotted in 2013, who posted a photo online seeking identification help. However, despite the collective efforts, the origin of this spider art remained a mystery. These silkhenges, surprisingly crafted by spiders, serve a crucial purpose, safeguarding their eggs. The central spire, made of spider silk, houses the eggs, while a circular fence surrounds it, mimicking the iconic Stonehenge. Despite its alien looks, it's all about protecting the tiny spider offspring. Fast forward to recent times, and tropical science communicator Phil Torres brought this enigma to life in stunning 4K footage captured during his exploration of Peru. No more grainy photos. Now we can truly appreciate the intricate details. However, despite the advanced technology, the mystery remains unsolved. Moreover, they're incredibly tiny and often found in groups, indicating the presence of more nearby. With each encounter, the puzzle deepens, leaving researchers scratching their heads. So, if you ever stumble upon one of these silk henges, tread lightly and resist the urge to disturb them. The enigmatic creators of these marvels continue to evade discovery, leaving us in awe of nature's mysteries. Number 7. The mythical walking tree. Can trees move on their own? Some individuals argue that a particular type of tree can, in a way. This tree is known as Socratia exoryza, often called the walking palm. Socratia exoryza is a palm tree native to the rainforests of tropical Central and South America. It's said to walk from shaded areas to sunlit spots by extending roots towards its desired direction and letting old roots lift and wither away.
This tree is actually moving in the jungle to find a sunnier place.
Some suggest this process takes a couple of years, while one paleobiologist estimates the tree moves around 2 or 3 centimeters per day. Unlike other trees with roots mostly hidden underground, the walking palm has elevated roots that spread outward from its base, several feet above the ground. Over time, as soil wears away, some of these roots die off, while new ones emerge. Scientists are still investigating the walking palm and its unique root system. Some theorize that the roots enhance the tree's stability in marshy areas, while others suggest that the elevated roots enable the palm to grow taller without needing to increase the diameter of its trunk, thus requiring less biomass in underground roots compared to other palms. Number 8. Shadowbane frog. How could such a tiny creature like this dart frog, barely the size of your fingertip, possibly pose a threat to a human? This question may puzzle you until you discover the remarkable defense skills possessed by these mini creatures. Enter the poison dart frog, an unassuming creature with a deadly secret. Despite its small stature and innocuous appearance, this frog carries within its skin a powerful toxin capable of fatally harming any creature that dares to disturb it. Although they may appear vastly different in appearance, all members of this species share the same lethal trait. The name poison dart frog hints at their deadly abilities. Indigenous peoples of Central and South America have long utilized the toxins from these frogs to coat the tips of blow darts, thus giving rise to their moniker. Under normal circumstances, the frog retains its poison within its body. However, when it feels threatened, it releases this toxin as a defense mechanism. Even minimal contact or disturbance can trigger this response, which can prove fatal to humans. One particularly potent variety of poison dart frog, known as the golden poison dart frog, possesses an especially lethal venom. It contains enough poison to kill thousands of mice, an astonishing amount of power packed into such a diminutive creature. Number 9. The boiling river of Amazon. Named Shanai Timpishka, flowing quietly in the dense Amazonian jungle, the Shanai Timpishka, affectionately nicknamed the boiling river of the Amazon, eventually joining with the vast currents of the Ucayali River, itself is an important contributor to the magnificence of the Amazon. This awesome waterway becomes the largest known hot river on Earth. Spanning a distance of approximately 9 kilometers, its lower reaches, extending for 6.24 kilometers, mix up with the relentless heat energy. Originating as a modest jungle stream, it undergoes a transformation when put with the fiery presence of radiance of solar warmth and the original act of boiling. As we contemplate the boiling depths of this awesome river, we are reminded of the unlimited mysteries that lie under the surface of our world, waiting to be uncovered. Number 10. The pink sea creature. Pink river dolphins are a special species found in the Amazon River basin. Unlike their ocean-dwelling counterparts, these dolphins are known for their streaking pink hui that sets them apart as one of nature's most fascinating creations. Their sight truly captures one's imagination. But there's more to the pink river dolphins than just their captivating color. Equipped with tiny whiskers on their noses, known as vibrissae, they possess a remarkable sensory adaptation akin to sonar, aiding them in navigating the murky depths of the Amazonian rivers and efficiently locating prey. It's like having a built-in high-tech gadget that enhances their survival skills in their natural habitat. As these dolphins mature, they undergo a remarkable transformation, with their initially grayish hue gradually giving way to the vibrant pink for which they are renowned. This change in coloration is thought to be influenced by the accumulation of scars over time, adding to the mystique surrounding these enigmatic creatures. And here's the captivating twist. When they become excited or stimulated, they blush even pinker, a phenomenon that adds a touch of whimsy to their already enchanting demeanor. These dolphins exhibit a surprising affinity for human interaction. In certain areas, tourists are fortunate enough to engage in close encounters with these gentle giants, swimming alongside them in a once-in-a-lifetime experience that far surpasses encounters with other wildlife inhabitants of the Amazon. Number 11. Wani Warrior of Amazon. In the heart of the Amazon rainforest live the scary Wani Warriors, a tribe deeply connected to the land and its treasures. To them, the rivers and trees hold a lot of significance, as they are a vital element of their existence. Their beliefs even associate a special power to the mighty anacondas, large serpents that roam the thick forest. While the Amazon consists of scary creatures, including the awe-inspiring anacondas, the Wani warriors fearlessly locate their natural environment, viewing the outside world as a far greater danger. From hunting alongside wild animals to preserving age-old customs, the Wani demonstrate a steadfast effort to their ancestral traditions. Number 12. Basilisk Lizard. In ancient tales, the basilisk was feared as a monster serpent king, capable of killing with a single glance. Yet, the reality of the basilisk lizard is far from the legends. Despite its humble appearance, this small reptile possesses a special talent that borders on the amazing skills of walking on water and was nicknamed Water-Walking Dragon. This creature's amazing skills, with its ability to sprint across the surface of water in the blink of an eye, go against the law of gravity. The basilisk lizard challenges our understanding of movement and locomotion. In its flexible display, we witness amazing nature in action, a witness to the boundless wonders that exist beyond the realm of myth and legend. Number 13. The Amazonian Civilization. Deep within the thick forest lies a great secret. Archaeologists have made a remarkable discovery. High pyramids, though not as huge as their Egyptian pyramids, stand as silent lookouts of an ancient civilization lost to time. In a story that matches our understanding of history, researchers have uncovered the existence of a large network of hidden structures hidden beneath the green grass. This groundbreaking finding is as if a veil has been lifted, revealing an entirely new world concealed beneath the leafy canopy. The journey to this discovery began in 1999, when an intrepid explorer noticed peculiar formations on the forest floor that had gone unnoticed by others. Determined to uncover the truth, he embarked on a quest that led to the unearthing of buildings, graves, and other artifacts, evidence of a once thriving civilization lost in the annals of time. A hidden city interconnected by straight roads, dotted with towns of varying sizes, and secured with walls and pools of water covered in mystery and intrigue. The main purpose of these structures remains a puzzle, yet their existence hints at the presence of a sophisticated society that once lived in the heart of the Amazon. As the world wanders at this newfound treasure trove of history, questions abound. Who were the people that lived in this ancient place? What secrets lay buried within these forgotten cities? Number 14. The Matamat Turtle of the Amazon. This cool turtle is found in the waters of the Amazon rainforest. It's got a pretty special look, flat, rough shell, and a long neck. When it's in the water, it almost looks like a piece of tail floating around. One of the amazing things about the Matamat Turtle is how it hunts. It is good at blending in with its surroundings. It stays still in the water, waiting for fish to swim by. Then, quick as a flash, it opens its mouth wide and sucks in its prey. These turtles are gentle most of the time, just hanging out in the water, blending in with the leaves and branches. But when it's time to eat, they turn into skillful hunters, showing off their awesome skills. So next time you're in the Amazon, keep an eye out for the Matamat Turtle. You might just spot one blending in with the riverbed. Number 15. The Black Cayman. These remarkable creatures are the largest predators in the Amazonian waterways, wielding power and stealth in equal measure. With their imposing size and formidable presence, they command respect as the undisputed rulers of their aquatic domain. Black caimans are truly impressive specimens, capable of reaching lengths of 5 to 6 meters, making them among the largest crocodilian species in the world. Their sleek, dark-colored skin serves as the perfect camouflage amidst the murky waters of the Amazon, allowing them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings and ambush unsuspecting prey with precision. As apex predators, black caimans play a crucial role in regulating the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Their diet consists primarily of fish, birds, and small mammals that venture too close to the water's edge. With powerful jaws filled with sharp teeth, they are formidable hunters, capable of dispatching prey with ease. Despite their fearsome reputation, Black Caymans are not indiscriminate killers. They are essential for maintaining the health and biodiversity of the Amazonian habitat. By controlling the populations of other animals, they help prevent overgrazing and maintain the equilibrium of the food chain. While their appearance may instill awe and even fear, it is important to recognize their vital role in sustaining the rich tapestry of life in one of the world's most diverse ecosystems. Number 16. The bullet ant of the Amazon. Among the great number of occupants of the Amazon jungle, the bullet ant stands out as a scary force to meet. Despite its small size, measuring only 1 to 2 centimeters in length, the bullet ant packs a punch like no other insect in the jungle. Named for its strong sting, which is said to feel like being shot by a bullet, these ants are easily recognizable with their reddish-brown bodies and stretch appearance. The sting of a bullet ant is known for its intensity and being one of the most painful insect stings in the world. Victims often describe the sensation as a burning, pounding agony that can continue for up to 24 hours. When threatened, bullet ants strongly defend their nest by delivering rapid stings, very painful for any intruders. Despite their fearsome reputation, bullet ants play a crucial role in the Amazonian ecosystem as important predators, feeding on smaller insects and helping to control their populations. Number 17. The Eyelash Viper. The Eyelash Viper, named for the small line, the eyelash viper above its eyes that resemble eyelashes, is a master of camouflage. With its bright coloration ranging from bright yellow and green to striking red and orange, it blends smoothly into the rich leaves of the rainforest, making it difficult to spot. Despite its beauty, the eyelash viper is also a highly poisonous snake, skilled with potent venom that it uses to weaken its prey. However, it is not typically aggressive towards humans and will usually only strike if provoked or threatened. The eyelash viper plays a crucial role in the Amazonian ecosystem as a peak predator, helping to control the population of small mammals and birds. Its presence in the forest serves as a reminder of the delicate balance of life in the rainforest, where creatures, no matter how small, play a vital role in maintaining the health and diversity of the Amazon. Number 18. The Amazonian sloths. Sloths are the slow-moving and adorable inhabitants of the Amazon rainforest. These charming creatures may not be the fastest or most active, but it has captured the hearts of many with their relaxed lifestyle and unique adaptations. Sloths are best known for their sluggish movements and laid-back attitude. With their long arms and legs, they navigate the dense canopy of the forest with ease, spending most of their time hanging upside down from tree branches. Their slow metabolism allows them to retain energy, leading to their distinctive, unhurried pace of life. Sloths are highly specialized creatures perfectly adapted to their environment. Their coarse fur provides camouflage among the treetops, while their specialized stomachs allow them to efficiently digest their mainly leaf-based diet. These adaptations enable sloths to thrive in the challenging conditions of the Amazon forest. Its gentle nature, fascinating adaptations, and essential ecological role make them a symbol of the rich biodiversity and wonder of the Amazon. Number 19. The hungry manatee. The Amazonian manatee is the largest mammal found in South America's freshwater habitats. With their fat bodies and paddle-like flippers, they move gracefully through the slow-flowing rivers and flooded forests of the Amazon basin. Despite their large size, they are surprisingly difficult to catch, often blending into their watery surroundings with ease. These herbivorous mammals spend their days feeding on aquatic vegetation, using their sensitive nose and lips to carefully select their meals. One of the most lovable features of the Amazonian manatee is its gentle and docile nature. Unlike their marine counterparts, they are not known to be aggressive and are often curious and playful around humans. However, this friendly disposition has also made them vulnerable to exploitation and habitat destruction, leading to a decline in their populations. In the vast and complex community of the Amazon, the Amazonian manatee stands as a symbol of the beauty and importance of preserving the rich biodiversity of the forest. Number 20. The hair-raising tarantula. This remarkable spider, with its glossy black body decorated with tiny hairs that seem to shimmer in the dappled sunlight, moves with a mesmerizing elegance through the dense foliage. With each delicate step, the tarantula navigates the labyrinth of roots and leaves with a graceful precision that is both fascinating and awe-inspiring. Its 8 velvety legs, each adorned with sensory hairs that allow it to feel the slightest vibrations in its surroundings, carry it effortlessly across the forest floor. In this lush and vibrant ecosystem, the presence of the hair-raising tarantula is felt in every rustle of leaves and every whisper of the wind. It is a symbol of the intricate balance of life in the jungle, where every creature plays a vital role in the delicate tapestry of nature. Encountering the hair-raising tarantula in its natural habitat is a truly unforgettable experience, a reminder of the beauty and wonder that can be found in the depths of the rainforest. It serves as a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life in one of the world's most diverse and awe-inspiring environments. Number 21. The Campo Flicker, an amazing bird species that adds a burst of color and vibrancy to the leafy green landscape of the rainforest. With its striking features of bright yellow, black, and red, it stands out like a precious statue against the background of green leaves. This lively bird is known for its amazing behavior, including its rhythmic drumming on tree trunks to communicate with other flickers and create territory. Its song calls echoed through the forest, adding to the harmony of sounds that define the Amazonian jungle. As the Campo Flicker travels through the forest, it helps spread seeds and keeps bugs in check. Seeing it shows how diverse the Amazon is and why we must protect it. Number 22. The Giant Otter, the majestic Giant Otter. Towering over its otter kin, this captivating creature carries the greatness of aquatic grace and prowess. Picture it floating through the river's currents, its sleek chocolate-brown fur shining under the dappled sunlight that filters through the dense forest above. But what truly sets the giant otter apart is not just its size, but its incredible intelligence and social abilities. In its family units, bonds are created through shared experiences and cooperative abilities. From the playful, amazing behaviors of the young ones to the skilled hunting techniques used by the adults, everything of their communal life is evidence of their extraordinary ability and intelligence. When it comes to the hunt, the giant otter is a master strategist. With fast reflexes and sharp senses, it tracks its prey through the twisted waterways, employing a combination of precision to secure its next meal. Witnessing such a display of hunting prowess is akin to observing a finely fashioned dance, each movement executed with flawless grace and efficiency. Encountering the giant otter in its natural habitat is a truly awe-inspiring experience, one that leaves an indelible impression on all who are fortunate enough to witness it. Number 23. The Redbellied Pirana. In the depths of the Amazon River lurks a creature both feared and admired, the red-bellied piranha. With its sleek, torpedo-shaped body and razor-sharp teeth, this iconic fish carries the raw power and mystery of the jungle's waters, their vibrant red bellies flashing in the dim light. These unstable predators are known for their appetite and fast, coordinated attacks. When they strike, it's with the right and brutality of a well-arranged ambush as they tear into their prey. But there's more to the red-bellied piranha than meets the eye. Despite their fearsome reputation, they are also highly social creatures, often found swimming in groups called shoals. Within these shoals, serious social hierarchies form, with elderly individuals asserting their authority while others follow suit, ensuring the survival of the group. While the red-bellied piranha is an intimidating predator, it also plays a crucial role in the Amazon's forest. Meeting a school of red-bellied piranhas in their natural habitat is an incredible experience. Which of these strange creatures that call the Amazon jungle home did you find the most shocking? Like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating contents.